I wanted to say one evening I go work and end up going for the wrong shift. Boss I say, yo, come back tomorrow morning, man, the wrong shift you come in for. I say, Ross, I never check your shift good, you know. So anyway, on my way home now, I just call moms and say, where you up to, mama? They up on the work, you know, come in the man, she say, she done her mother do some washing. I say, cool. So when I reach my yard now, it's a bike that I see park up in front of my door here. And I say, Rascal, you know, which man could have really come park up bike in my yard? So anyway, I have two ways can go into the house, through the living room or through one of the bedroom them. So I take one of the bedroom them, end up in a second bedroom, end up in a living room. When I look is a man and I set in underpants and I'm food, I drink juice. To a man trying to pussy clot and the cup drop out of her hand. My woman she fly in the living room and now, front of the kitchen. Shock when she see me can't move. Mama gonna make me know say, it's a table the man come to fix for her, where she a wash pan, for nail up for her. Then I say, man come to nail up table for her, I in underpants and I eat food. I tell her, say, pussy clot. I don't say nothing to her, I just go hold a shower. I lay down in the bed. Must be about 5 minutes after my bike start up and the man cut. I want to say about 3 months me and her in the house. No chatting nothing at all. She asleep in a one room. Continue pay my bills them same, but I not buy no food and no gas or nothing. I never know how she name. From the cooking I go in the house. So I tell her, say, my woman a cold to pussy clot, brother. Boy, I don't know some man would deal with that situation.